Now this one is bones, ribs. I boil it already, so I'm gonna cooking this sauce instead chicken to this cooking the sauce, but I try the beef ribs. So we're gonna start now the onion, pepper, and spring onion, and paprika, and chili cayenne, chili pepper, basil dry, and that's it. So I'm gonna do, I'm starting now to the fry. After that, so we put in the dry fish, like this one bowl. Then we put the sauce first. This is I try already. Then we put the sauce. Second, my menu. So I have buffet today. I have mukbang today, fried chicken, and that one the chicken beef ribs. So what we're gonna do, we put now here. It is on already. So we put the 20, and then that's it. So we just wait until 20 minutes. And chili pepper we put na minutes. Okay. And basil dry, the aroma. So I've already the nor cubes already, the beef. So we wait until in 20 minutes to done. this. So we're gonna cover up first. Just prepare of my design this. Just design. So for my chicken, fried chicken, this is design. So pag nag-slice kayo, pa-slide ganito siya, pa-slide para mag-design yung carrots. You need to design the carrots with the cucumbers. So I'm gonna show you that. And this one, we need to top up of my chicken. Need to top up this, decorate. So just give you the tips to how to decoration. Okay guys, you put the honey, add 1 spoon in. So guys, this is the honeybee. So yan siya. So and then black pepper. I'm looking for my black pepper. Right. So black pepper. Black pepper. So done. Now, wow. So guys, it's done already. Done. Then first this one, done already, my chicken. And what you gonna do, I show you how to decorate this. To decorate like that. Like this. Like that. Like that. Oops. Like that. Like that, guys. Oops. Like that, guys. And then like that, to make sure that, see guys, and then put the decorate this on the top. No, that. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Let's put in there. Yeah, is it. And then put in that one little bit. That one. And we put tiny bit coriander. Okay. Like that. Okay guys. To decorate. How to decorate this. So guys, it's done. So what we're gonna do, I show you how to decorate. Just like this. Para maumbok siya, yung may design. You need to like that. Oops, like this. How to prepare to. Hang on a minute. That's and like this. Okay. And top there the sauce. There. Put on the top the sauce. Yeah. And then put on the decorate the coriander. Just spread like that. Oops. Yes, spread like that. Okay. Sit. Hi guys, let's go to it guys. So this is the fried chicken and this is one grapes. So let's go to it guys now. I'm so starving, so wow, this is the ribs and chicken. So yummy. And we have red so yummy, super delicious. So yummy. Very just tender. Tissue. So spicy. This is I love it. So sarap. Mm. Very tender. Spicy. Mm. I like this one. Sauce there. You can just put the sauce. Mm.
So hungry. Just got back from Sophie.
Mary.
Yeah.
Mary, come here. Hmm?
No.
Fried chicken, Mary.
No, I want to have one of these. I don't want chicken. I don't feel like it.
Mm.
Yeah.
So yummy. So delicious.
I'll put this in there for you.
Mary, can you pass me the tissue, Mary?
Yeah, can I put this out? Mum, did you put the fried chicken in here?
Mm.
I got...
This is so big. Mm. 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 Sobrang happy syrup. Delicious. Mm. 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 Wow. Amazing. This is amazing, guys. Mm. Very spicy, guys. Very spicy.
Is Andrew right?
Oh. So guys, lahat ng mga supporting watching our ko, thank you very much. Antilani Tomas and Aparella, Ellen Aparella, she always
Sarah?
make to, and the other people there in my YouTube channel subscribes. Thank you very much for the supporting watching hour. I hope enjoy my YouTube channel, and then just comment below and then just notify, and then I will reply to you back. I hope enjoy my watching of my YouTube. Mga supporting hours ko. Sarap. This one is ribs beef. I boil it first, and then one is chicken.
Mum, where did you
This
buy
one.
your biscuit?
This one, the chicken there, and this one is chicken. It is ready made in Tesco. I buy this one. So guys, so Don't subscribe. I'll see you next time of my another upload.